Hello everybody and welcome to Samtian's Tech, and I hope you're doing well. And today is going to be another studio upgrade. So far in the series of updating my studio, I've done things like the foam panelling, the LED lights, I've got a newer condenser NW800 microphone, I've also got the wireless microphone that I'm wearing now, the teleprompter, and obviously I've got a new camera, of which that will be coming soon as well. But today we're actually going to be upgrading the lighting system. So let's roll that intro and jump straight on into it. So let's go ahead and unbox the lighting system. Now this is from a company called Samtian on Amazon, and the kit, which is a TL160s kit, is about $75.99 per kit. And obviously I'll show you what I get in the kit, but I've ordered 2 of them. So hopefully this is going to be a better upgrade than the best studio lights that I've got on at the moment. I might actually use them in combo because they might work quite well. But the kit is $75.99. And it's 3,200 to 5,500 colour temperature, and yeah, that's pretty good. So first up you get a canvas bag, and I do apologise for the noise, but there you go, it's quite nice. It's got 4 pockets in it. I would assume that's for like the batteries. I don't know if you guys can see that really well. There you go. So for tripods, batteries, and the panels as well, and there's another one down here. Zips up, and you also get the strap with that. That's actually quite nice, but let's put that to one side for now. That's going to be pretty handy for carrying these around. So the rest of the box is 4 packs of panels. You then go and get 2 chargers. Now what's good about these chargers is, I'll come up to the camera, is you've got a little flip back bit on here, and that goes from 2-pin for the US and into a 3-pin plug adapter there for the I don't know if you can see that well. There you go, for the UK. That's quite nice. So obviously easy charging. I think the lights, they actually last up to about 90 hours being on full. And then you get a little bag of what I can assume is bits. That's quite handy. So these are horseshoe mounts, as well as mounts that go on the tripod. So you can use this on top of your camera, so whether that's DSLR, or maybe a mirrorless camera, obviously pointing straight in your face to illuminate you while you're doing sort of close-up vlogging, things like that. There you go. I'm actually going to zoom in on this for you, but there it is at the moment. So that looks quite nice. There you go. And it also has got this little screw on the back, just there. Unscrew it, and this bit on the top can go sort of about 180 really. But let's zoom in on the desk itself. There you go. Give a bit of a closer up picture. So there you get 4 of these in the bag, and obviously they're going to go on the tripods which are in there at the moment. Move the battery chargers out the way, and let's open up these packs. So in each pack you get 1 battery, and what are these? These are 2400 milliamp battery, so yep, going to last you up to about 90 minutes of lighting. You get the light panel itself. There you go, so 160 LEDs, and on the back of it is your battery port. So there you go, turn it up that way for you. There you go. So your battery just slides right in there. You've got an on button, and you've got the temperature buttons either side, so minus and plus obviously to light them up. And this display here, obviously when it's fully powered, goes all the way up. When it's losing power, it goes down. I think there's about 8 different grades, so giving you 8 different levels of power. And if I actually zoom up a bit closer, there's a 1/4 inch for obviously the little bits in the pack I just showed you a moment ago. And you get obviously 4 of those. And then you get 2 diffusers. So you've got an orange diffuser that just sort of like plugs into the bottom. It's pretty simple really. You've got 2 pins on the bottom. Slide it in, and it's got a little magnet at the top. There you go. So you've got your orange diffuser to give yourself a bit of a warmer light. Then you've got yourself your white diffuser, sort of give you a bit more of a cloudy effect. And yeah, that looks Looks pretty decent actually. Like I said, it's only a cheap kit. It's nothing majorly expensive. I have linked another kit from Newer in the description down below as well. But let's go ahead and get a camera for you. And all we're going to do is just set it up on top and see what it kind of looks like straight out of the box. Now hopefully these are actually charged. Normally a lot of stuff like this does come sort of powered down. You have to charge them yourself, but I may actually get a bit lucky, I hope. So you just unscrew the bottom, slide it straight onto your camera with ease. So sorry, my microphone actually ran out of battery, so I've put them in now. But yeah, just to give you some idea on the back of it, how these plug in, and they're really, really easy. So you've got these notches here, you've got the notches on the back of the camera as well. So all you do is put it up against the back, and with one hand you can slide it all in, and it works perfectly. So let's actually turn this on. I'm going to turn it on away from the camera because I don't know how bright this is actually going to. Oh, blimey. So there you go. If you can see there, it's just on the bottom one. There you go. If it lights up, there you go. It's on about 2, I think, at the moment, and that's obviously the brightness. And yeah, we're going to whack this up. So I'm going to turn off the lights behind me. So yeah, how low does this go? Oh wow, okay, that is the lowest this goes, which is actually really, really decent. Okay, let's see how bright she goes. Okay, yeah, that is that's actually, there you go, camera's having a bit of a hissy fit 'cause the light. That's really, really bright. That's full pelt, so that'd be about 5,500 on the temperature sensor, and I'm getting blinded by the diffuser going in. So let's pop the diffuser in, if I can get it in. Come on, I've blinded myself now. There you go. So that's with the diffuser, the white diffuser on. Okay, let's have a look what it is like with the orange diffuser on, to give you sort of that warmer effect. There you go. That's with the orange diffuser on. I'm going to turn it down a little. There you go. Yes, so not bad. These are actually really, really bright. They're small and compact, but they're powerful. So let's turn that off before I blind anybody else with it, and turn these other lights back on. There you go. And make sure the camera's not having any more of a hissy fit. But yeah, that's obviously, being on top of a camera like that is going to be perfect. And obviously it's not straight. I'll straighten it up a little. There you go. So yeah, really, really nice. So let's take this off. And they're small and they're lightweight as well. That is really, really light. So there's one. Let's get that camera out of the way. And obviously, yeah, the whole pack, they're pretty much going to be the same anyway. So there you go. So yeah, not bad. Let's what I'll do is get the tripods out, set them up, and see what they actually look like in the light. So there you have it. I've got them all set up. Now what I'm going to do is place them around the studio, and hopefully these are not going to, blind you guys when I turn them round. But yeah, the only things these are missing is sort of like the barn doors on the top and the side of them. That would have been nice if you could have got them included. You can find some online which are about £13 to £20. The newer ones that I have linked in are a lot more expensive, but obviously they come with the barn door filters, if you wish to call them that, on there. But yeah, these are not looking too shabby. Like I said, I do not want to blind you guys when I turn them on, so let me just get these set up and poked around the place. And I'm having them just sort of fully down like that, so I get a bit more height on the lights themselves. But yeah, having that sort of ball where you can adjust the lights to sort of your own sort of angles is a really, really nice touch as well. Not many of these do have it. So this is the TL160s kit, like I said. This is from Samtian. And yeah, for the kit, it's really, like I said, I think quite cheap for £76 for a kit. But there you go. What I'm going to do is, if I just take the camera off. So let's get this off its tripod. There you go. And as you can see, I've got one there, one up there, one there, and one over there. Do excuse that phone panel, it has got to be sorted out. And there's the A-Best Studio lights that I'm using at the moment with the umbrellas that have got the silver on the inside. But yeah, it looks quite nice. They are small. Like I said, they are 160 TL. So yeah, 160 LEDs in just that little panel. And I do apologise, I am just popping it back on its tripod. There you go. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off those lights up there and put on the TL160s now. Hopefully they are set quite low because I don't want to blind you guys. So where's this one there? So these, like I said, are low. That's one at the moment. Number 2 is warming up. If it decides that it's going to allow me to turn it on. There you go, there's number 2. Number 3 is coming online now. Well, it should be. Well, you got them, there you go. There's number 3, and number 4 is there. And I'm actually just going to... There you go. Ooh. I won't show you actually what these look like from the front because the camera is going to go absolutely nuts with the amount of light coming into it. But that's without any diffusers. Now that's all 4 of them. They're on low. And it's looking like a football stadium here at the moment. So what I'm going to do is get the white diffusers and just chuck them over the top. And these are quite easy. Like I said, it's just 2 little pins that you pop in and a magnet on the top, and it attaches itself, and you are done. Oh God, that one's really bright. Right in your face. There you go. Don't know how much of a difference these are actually going to make being see-through. It's those 2 there that are really, really bright. So let's turn those down a bit. There you go. And this one. There you go, just readjust them a little. Ah, so that's much better. So that is quite low. They're around about, I would say about 4,000 on the colour temperature at the moment, which is really, really nice. And that's just the white LEDs with the obviously the white diffusers. Obviously changing them to the orange is going to give you sort of a much warmer feel in the colour temperature itself. So I'll just replace all 4 with the orange ones. And like I said, they just pop out and pop back on in. That's only 2 of them at the moment. I see much warmer feel. So you've got the 2 white ones up there, and you've got the 2 sort of warmer ones here. As you can see, I've got the other two in my hand. So like I said, these lights are from a company called Samtian over on Amazon. You can find the link in the description down below. Now, it is an affiliate link, so it doesn't cost you anything more, but it does help out the channel greatly. I've also linked the newer ones in there as well, so you can have a look at those. And obviously anything that I've used for the studio, because this is another studio upgrade, like the LED lights, the foam paneling, the condenser microphone from Newer, and also A-Best Studios green screen kit will all be down there. So tell me your thoughts in the comments section down below on what you think about these lights, and if there's any questions you do have, go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, it's greatly appreciated, and don't forget to hit that bell icon on your way out. And like always, I shall see you in the next video.